Good morning. Today I will explain how to calculate weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. Weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. Problem. Calculate weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. Weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. For the year 1996. For the year 1996. With 1986 as base year. 1986 as base year from the following data. Particulars. Items A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. 1986. 1986 is base year. 1986 price value. 1986 price value. Value. Next, 1996 price value. Price value. 1986 is base. 1996 is current. Price in 1996 is P0. Value in 1986 is V0. Price in 1996 is P1. Value in 1996 is V1. Data 10, 12, 15, 9, 1500, 10080, 900, 450. Next, 160, 100, 60, 40, 1760, 1300, 960, 480. This is the given data. Note it down. Weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. Weighted aggregate means 7 statisticians in price index number, 7 statisticians in quantity index numbers. Weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. First, P0. P0 values 10, 12, 15, 9. 10, 12, 15, 9. Next, V0 values. V0 1500, 10080, 900, 450. Next, P1 160, 100, 60, 40. Next, V1 V1 1760 1300 960 48. What is the first question? Last year's price index number. LASPEYRES. Last year's price index number. Last year's price index number formula P01 equal to summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into 100. Q0 was not given. P1 P0 values were given, but Q0 was not given. Now we have to find out Q0 value based on V0. V0 is base year value, V1 is current year value. What is the value definition? Value is the product of price and quantity. Value is the product of price and quantity. General formula. Value equal to price into quantity. General formula. Q0 was not given, but base year value was given. Now we have to find out Q0 by using V0 values. Formula V0 equal to P0 into Q0. P0 into Q0. Then Q0 equal to V0 by P0. 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 V0 by P0. V0 1500. P0 10. 150. 1500 by 10. 150. Next 1080 by 12. 90. Next 900 by 15. 60. Next 450 by 9. 50. 50. Next, last year's price index number formula summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0. Summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0. P1 Q0. P1 Q0. 160 into 150. P1 Q0. 160 into 150. 24,000. 24,000. Next, P1 Q0. 100 into 90. 9,000. 9,000. Next, 60 into 60. 3,600. 3,600. Next, P1 Q0. 50 into 40. 2,000. 2,000. Summation P1 Q0. Summation P1 Q0. 24,000 plus 9,000 plus 3,600 plus 2,000 is 38,600. 38,600. Next, summation P0 Q0. P0 Q0. P0 10. Q0 150. 1,500. Next, 12. 90. 12 into 90. 1080. Next 15 into 60, 900. 900. Next 9 into 50, 450. 450. Summation P naught Q naught equal to summation P naught Q naught equal to 1500 plus 10080 plus 900 plus 450. 3930. 3930. 3930. Summation P1 Q naught is 38,600. 38,600 by 3,930. 3,930 into 100. 38,600 divided by 3,930 into 100. 982.19%. 982.19%. 982.19%. 982.19%. P naught Q naught values no need to calculate because V naught equal to P naught into Q naught. V naught values were given. V naught equal to P naught into Q naught. V naught equal to P naught into Q naught. V naught equal to P naught into Q naught. 1500, 1500. 1080, 1080. 900, 900. 450, 450. So P naught Q naught values were no need to calculate because V naught is P naught into Q naught. Summation P naught Q naught equal to 3,930. 3,930. No need to calculate. This is last year's price index number. Last year's price index number. Next, last year's quantity index number. Last year's quantity index number Q01 equal to summation Q1 P naught by summation Q naught P naught into 100. Summation Q1 P naught by summation Q naught P naught into 100. P naught Q1. P naught Q1. P naught Q1. Q naught P naught. Q1 value was not given. Q1 value was not given. But current year value was given. What is V1? Value is the product of price and quantity. V1 equal to P1 into Q1. V1 equal to P1 into Q1. Then Q1 equal to V1 by P1. Then Q1 equal to V1 by P1. Now we have to calculate Q1 value by using V1 values. Now we have to calculate Q1 values by using V1. Q1 equal to V1 by P1. Q1 equal to V1 by P1. Q1 equal to V1 by P1. V1 by P1. 1760 by 160. 1760 divided by 160. 11. 11. 1760 divided by V1 by P1. Next 1300 by 100. 13. Next 960 by 60. 960 divided by 60. 16. Next P1 by V1. V1 by P1. 480 by 40. 12. 12. Next, Q1 P naught. Q1 P naught. Q1 P naught values. Q1 P naught is Q1 P naught is Q1 P naught 10 into 11 110. Next 13 into 12 156. Q1 P naught 16 into 15 240. Next 12 into 9 108. 108. Summation Q1 P naught is summation Q1 P naught 110 plus 156 plus 240 plus 108 is 614. 614. 614. Q1 P naught value is 614. 614 by Q naught P naught. Q naught P naught. P naught Q naught. 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2. Same. Summation P naught Q naught equal to summation Q naught P naught. Summation P naught Q naught equal to summation Q naught P naught. 2 into 3 equal to 3 into 2. 3930. 3930 into 100. 614. 614 divided by 3930 into 100. 15.62%. 15.62%. 15.62%. This is last year's price index number, last year's quantity index number. No data. Last year's price index number is 982.19. Last year's price index number is 982.19. Last year's quantity index number is 15.62. 15.62. Next, Pashy's price index number, Pashy's quantity index number. Pashy's price index number, Pashy's quantity index number. Pashy's price index number P01 equal to summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into 100. Summation P1 Q1 is value is the product of price and quantity. This is current year value. P1 equal to P1 into Q1. V1 equal to P1 into Q1. V1 equal to P1 into Q1. Summation P1 Q1 equal to 1760 plus 1300 plus 960 plus 480 is 4500. 4500. Summation P1 Q1 is 4500 by P0 Q1. P0 Q1. 2 into 3 is 3 into 2. P0 Q1 into P0 Q1 equal to Q1 P0. Summation P0 Q1 is 614. 614 into 100. 4500 divided by 614 into 100. 732.90. 732.90%. 732.90%. This is Pashy's price index number. Next, Pashy's quantity index number. PASH is quantity index number. Q01 equal to summation Q1 P1 by summation Q0 P1 into 100. Summation Q1 P1. P1 Q1 is Q1 P1. 4500 by Q0 P1. Q0 P1 is P1 Q0 same. 38,600. 38,600 into 100. 4,500 divided by 38,600 into 100. 11.66%. 11.66%. This is PASH is price index number. PASH is quantity index number. PASH is price index number. PASH is price index number is 732.90. PASH is quantity index number is 11.66. 11.66. Note it. This is PASH is price and quantity index number. Next, Fisher's price and quantity index number. Fisher's price index number. Fisher's price index number formula P01 equal to square root of summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into 100 into summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into 100. This is last PS. This is PASH. Last PS PASH. The geometric mean of last PS and PASH is called Fisher's. The geometric mean of last PS and PASH is called Fisher's. This is root L into P. Geometric mean of last PS and PASH. Root L. Last PS price index number 982.19. 982 into last year's quantity index number 15.62. 15.62. Very good. Nine 982.19 into 15.62 square root 123.86. One 123.86%. 123.86%. This is Fisher's price index number. Next, Fisher's quantity index number. Fisher's quantity index number. Q01 equal to summation Q1 P0 by summation Q0 P0 into 100 into summation Q1 P1 by summation Q0 P1 into 100. This is last PS quantity index number. Last PS Pasch's quantity index number. Last Pierce quantity index number, Pasch's quantity index number. The geometric mean of Last Pierce and Pasch's is called Fisher's. The geometric mean of Last Pierce and Pasch's is called Fisher's. This is root L into P. Root L into P. Last Pierce quantity index number. Last Pierce quantity index number. Sorry. Last Pierce price index number is 982.19. Pasch's price index number is 732.90. 732.90. 732.90. 848.44. 848.44. This is the correct answer. 848.44 is the correct answer. Last Pierce quantity index number is 15.62 into Pasch's quantity index number is 11.66. 15.62 into 11.66. 13.50. 13.50. This is the correct answer. Fisher's price index number is 848.44%. Fisher's quantity index number is 13.50%. Is the correct answer. Note it down. Next, fourth one is Darby's and Bowley's price index number and Darby's and Bowley's quantity index number. Fourth one. Fourth index number is Darby's and Bowley's price and Darby's and Bowley's quantity index number. Darby's and Bowley's price and Darby's and Bowley's quantity index number. Darby's and Bowley's price index. Darby's and Bowley's price index. P01 equal to summation P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into 100 plus summation plus summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q1 into 100 by 2 by 2. This is Last Pierce price index number L. This is Pasch's price index number P. Arithmetic mean of Last Pierce and Pasch's is called Fisher's. Darby's and Bowley's, not Fisher's. Arithmetic mean of Last Pierce and Pasch's is called Darby's and Bowley's. Geometric mean of Last Pierce and Pasch's is called Fisher's. This is arithmetic mean of Last Pierce and Pasch's. Simply L plus P by 2. L plus P by 2. What is Last Pierce price index number? Answer. Last Pierce price index number 982.19 plus Pasch's price index number 732.90 by 2. 982.19 plus 732.90 divided by 2. 857.55. This is Darvish and Bowley's price index number. Next, Darvish and Bowley's quantity index number. Darvish and Bowley's quantity index number. Index number Q01 equal to summation Q1 P naught by summation Q naught P naught into 100 plus summation Q1 P1 by summation Q naught P1 into 100 by 2. 100 by 2. This is last year's quantity index number L. Pash's quantity index number P. Pash's quantity index number P. Arithmetic mean of last year's and Pash's is called Darvish and Bowley's. Arithmetic mean of last year's and Pash's is called Darvish and Bowley's. L plus P by 2. Last year's quantity index number 15.62 plus Pash's quantity index number 11.66 by 2. 15.62 plus 11.66 divided by 2. 13.64. 13.64. This is Darvish and Bowley's price and quantity index numbers. Note it down. Next, fifth one is Marshall and Edgeworth price and quantity index number. Marshall and Edgeworth price and quantity index numbers. Marshall and Edgeworth price and quantity index number. P01 equal to summation P1 Q0 plus summation P1 Q1 by summation P0 Q0 plus summation P0 Q1 into 100. Last year's numerator plus Pash's numerator by last year's denominator plus Pash's denominator. Last year's numerator plus Pash's numerator by last year's denominator plus Pash's denominator. Summation P1 Q0. Summation P1 Q0 is 38,600 plus summation P1 Q1 4,500 by P0 Q0 3,930 plus P0 Q1 640 into 100. Four three 100 by 4544 into 100. $948.50. 948.50%. 948.50%. $948.50%. This is Marshall and Edgeworth price index number. Next, Marshall and Edgeworth quantity index number. Marshall and Edgeworth quantity index, Marshall-Edgeworth quantity index. Q01 equal to summation Q1 P0 plus summation Q1 P1 by summation Q0 P0 plus summation Q0 P1 into 100. Last PS numerator plus Pasch's numerator by last PS denominator plus Pasch's denominator. Q1 P0 614 plus Q1 P1 4500 by Q0 P0 3930 plus Q0 P1 38600 into 100. 614 plus 4500 is 5114 by 3930 plus 38600 42530 into 100. 5114 divided by 42530 into 100. 12.02%. This is Marshall-Edgeworth price index number, Marshall-Edgeworth quantity index number. Note it down. Next, Walsh price and quantity index number. Walsh price and quantity index number. Walsh price index, Walsh price index number P01 equal to summation P1 into root Q1 Q0 by summation P0 into root Q1 Q0 into 100. Summation P1 into root Q1 Q0 by summation P0 into root Q1 Q0 into 100. V0. Q0 value. Q0 is 150, 90, 60, 50. Next, Q1 values. Q1 11, 13, 16, 12. Next we have to find out Q1 Q0 values. Q1 Q0 or Q0 Q1. Q1 Q0. Q1 Q0. 150 into 11. 1650. Next 90 into 13. 1170. Next 60 into 16. 960. Next 50 into 12. 600. 600. Root Q1 Q0. Root Q1 Q0. Root Q1 Q0. Root 1650 is 40.62. Next, root 1170, 34.21. Next, root 960, 30.98. Root 600, 24.49. Next, P1 into root Q1 Q0. P1 into root Q1 Q0. P1 into root Q1 Q0. Root Q1 Q0 P1. P1 value 160. 160 into root Q1 Q0 40.62. 6499.20. 6499.20. Next, P1 into root Q1 Q0 100 into 34.21. 3421. 3421. Next, 60 into 30.98. 1858.80. 1858.80. Next, 40. 40 into 24.49. 979.60. 979.60. Next, P0 into root Q1 Q0. P0 into root Q1 Q0. P0 10. 40.62 into 10. 406.20. 406.20. Next, 12. 12 into 34.21. 410.52. 410.52. Next, 15 into 30.98. 464.70. 464.70. Next, 9 into 24.49. 220.41. 220.41. 220.45. Summation P1 into root Q1 Q0. Summation P1 into root Q1 Q0 equal to 6499.20 plus 3421 plus 1858.80 plus 979.60 is 12758. 12758. 12758.60. Next, summation P0 root Q1 Q0. 406.20 plus 410.52 plus 464.70 plus 220.41 is 1501. 1501.83. 1501.83. Summation P1 root Q1 Q0 value 127.58. 12,758.60 plus 1501. 1501.83 into 100. Into 100. $849.54. 849.54%. This is Walsh price index number. Note it down. This is Walsh price index. Next, Walsh quantity index number. Walsh quantity index number. Walsh quantity index number. Q01 equal to summation Q1 root P1 P0 by summation Q0 root P1 P0 into 100. P1 P0 160 into 10. P1 P0 160 into 10 1600. 100 into 12 1200. 1200. Next 60 into 15 900. Next 40 into 9 360. Next, root P1 P0. Root P1 P0 1600. Root of 1600 is 40. Root of 1200 is 34.64. 30. Root 360 is 18.97. 18.97. Next, Q1 into root P1 P0. Q1 into root P1 P0. Q1 into root P1 P0. 40 into 11. 440. 34.64 into 13. 450.32. 450.32. Next 30 into 16. 480. 480. Next 18.97 into 12. 227.64. 227.64. Next, Q0 into root P1 P0. Q0 into root P1 P0. Q0 150 into 40. 6,000. 6,000. Next, 90 into 34.64. 3,117.60. Next, 60 into 30. 1800. 1800. Next, 50 into 18.97. 948.50. 948.50. Summation Q1 into root P1 P0. Summation Q1 into root P1 P0. 440 plus 450.32 plus 480 plus 227.64 is 1597.96. Next, summation Q0 root P1 P naught value. Summation Q naught root P1 P naught value 6000 plus 3117.60 plus 1800 plus 948.50. 11866. 11866.10. Summation Q1 root P1 P naught value 1597. 1597.96 by 11866.10 into 100. $13.47. 13.47%. 13.47. This is wash price index number, wash quantity index number. Note it down. Last one, Kelly's price index number and Kelly's quantity index number. Kelly's price. Kelly's price index number formula P01 equal to summation P1 Q by summation P0 Q. P0 Q into 100. Summation P1 Q by summation P0 Q into 100. Q equal to Q1 plus Q0 by 2 or Q0 plus Q1 by 2. Q equal to Q0 plus Q1 by 2. Q equal to Q0 plus Q1 by 2. $80.50 is 80.5. 51.5. 38. 31. Next, P1Q, P0Q. P1Q 160 into 80.5 is 12,880. 12,880. Next, $5150. 60 into 38. 2,280. 2,280. Next, 40 into 31. 1,240. 1,240. Summation P1Q equal to $21,550. 21,550. Next, P0Q. P0Q 160 805. 80.5 into 10. 805. Next 51.5 into 12. 618. 618. Next 38 into 15. 570. Next 31 into 9. 279. Summation P naught Q. 805 plus 618 plus 570 plus 279. 2272. 2272. P1Q. Summation P1Q is 21,550. Next P naught Q. 2272 into 100. $948.50. 948.50%. This is Kelly's price index number. Note it down. Next, Kelly's quantity index number. Kelly's quantity index number Q01 equal to summation Q1P by summation Q0 P into 100. P equal to P0 plus P1 by 2. 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 170, 85. 56. 37.5. 24.5. Q1P. 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 11 into 85. 935. 935. 13 into 56. 728. 16 into 37.5. 600. 600. 12 into 24.5. 294. Next, Q0P. Q0P. 150 into 85. 12,750. Next, 90 into 56. 5040. Next, 60 into 37.5. 2,250. Next, 294 into 50. 294 into 250. 14,700. Sorry, 24.5 into 50. 1225. 1225. 1225. Summation Q1P. $2,557. Summation Q0P. $21,265. 21,265. Summation Q1P 2,557. 2,557 by 21,265 into 100. 2,557 divided by 21,265 into 100. 12.02. 12.02. This is Kelly's price and Kelly's quantity index number. This is the last index number. Kelly's price and Kelly's quantity index number. Now problem was completed. Note it down. This is the weighted aggregate price and quantity index number. Now problem was completed. Any one, in examination point of view, any one index number will come, either price index number or quantity index number. In examination point of view, any one question will come, either price index number, either weighted aggregate price index number or weighted aggregate quantity index number. But very important, 7 statistician problems, very important. Price is very important. Price is very important. But any one will come. Either a weighted aggregate price index number or weighted aggregate quantity index number. Homework problem. Homework problem. Compute weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. Compute weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. Commodity A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Base year. Price, quantity. 2542. 2542. Quantity 8, 10, 14, 19. 8, 10, 14, 19. Next, current year. price quantity. Price 4652 4652 quantity 6 5 10 13 6 5 10 13. This is the given data. Commodity A B C D. Price and quantity in base year. Base year is denoted by 0. Current year is denoted by 1. Price in quantity is P naught. Price in base year is P naught. Quantity in base year is Q naught. Price in current year is P1. Quantity in current year is Q1. P1, Q1, P naught, Q naught, P1, Q1 values were given. Now we have to find out weighted aggregate price and quantity index numbers. First one, last year's price index number, last year's quantity index number. Second one, Pashy's price index number, Pashy's quantity index number. Third one, Fisher's price index number, Fisher's quantity index number. Arithmetic mean of geometric mean of last year's and Pashy's is called Fisher's root L into P. Fourth one, Darby's and Bowley's price index number. Arithmetic mean of last year's and Pashy's. Arithmetic mean of last year's and Pashy's is called Darby's and Bowley's index number. Fourth one, what is the fourth one? Darby's and Bowley's price and quantity index number. L plus P by 2. Next, fifth one, Marshall and Edgeworth's price index number. Last year's numerator plus Pashy's numerator by last year's denominator plus Pashy's denominator into 100. What is fifth one? Darby's and Marshall and Edgeworth's price and quantity index numbers. What is sixth one? Walsh price and quantity index number. Walsh price and quantity index number. What is the last index number? Kelly's price and quantity index number. Kelly's price and quantity index number. This is the homework problem. Very, very important. Weighted aggregate price index numbers. Very, very important. Essay questions. Today's class was completed. In next video session, I will explain how to calculate weighted average price and quantity relatives. In next video session, I will explain how to calculate weighted price and quantity, weighted average price and quantity relatives using arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Thank you.